Hello viewers, in this video I will talk about Redmi Pad Pro. Big Billion Days sale are coming, so should you buy this Redmi Pad Pro during Big Billion Days sale, and what will be the final price or the best price for this tablet? I will also talk about that. Redmi Pad Pro comes with a massive 12.1-inch LCD panel. This is a larger than many of its competitors and provides a genuinely expensive viewing area for both entertainment and productivity. This tablet features a sharp 2.5K resolution. This high pixel count results in a crisp and detailed image with a pixel density of approximately 249 ppi. Text, images and videos all look very clear. It comes with a 120Hz of refresh rate. This makes a huge difference in the user experience, making scrolling through social media, browsing the web and navigating the interface feel incredibly fluid and responsive. As you can see here, I have compared the display of Redmi Pad Pro along with iPad 10th generation side by side, and I must say that Redmi Pad Pro is performing very good in comparison with iPad 10th generation, though the iPad's display is little bit brighter, but it doesn't mean that the display of Redmi Pad Pro is bad. Battery is one of the standout features of Redmi Pad Pro. The size of the battery is around 10,000 mAh. This is a very large capacity battery for a tablet in this price segment. In real world usage, you can expect around 10 hours plus SOT on a single charge on moderate usage, but if you are a heavy user, in that case the battery will last around 6 to 7 hours with heavy usage like gaming or video editing or things like that. Inside the box you will get 33-watt fast charging. With the 33-watt fast charger, you can expect the battery to get full charged at around 2 hours plus. As the processor of this tablet is 7 Gen S2 processor and it is running on Android 14, you can expect a decent performance from this Redmi Pad Pro. Plus the HyperOS is very feature rich and also battery saving. For everyday tasks, the tablet feels smooth and snappy. Apps launch quickly and multitasking is handled well. The 120Hz refresh rate of the display further enhances the feeling of fluidity. Whether you are browsing the web, streaming videos, managing emails or using social media, the tablet performs without any noticeable lag or stutter. Actually, the performance of this tablet is boosted by Xiaomi HyperOS, which is optimized for tablets. Features like split screen, multitasking and floating windows work seamlessly, allowing you to use multiple apps at the same time without significant shutdowns. As the tablet comes with 12.1 inches LCD display, you can enjoy multimedia content on this tablet, and the speaker quality of this tablet is equally good. If you are someone who likes to customize your tablet, in that case Xiaomi HyperOS 2.0 will give you enough customization option in screen and lock screen, and also you can use many gestures and features on this tablet. Now talking about the price point of this tablet, if you want to buy the Wi-Fi variant of Redmi Pad Pro, in that case the best price right now is around 16,000 rupees, but I think in the Big Billion Days sale this tablet will be sold at a price point of 14 to 15,000 rupees for the 128GB Wi-Fi variant. On the other hand, if you are looking to buy the 5G variant, in that case the best price for the 5G variant would be about 17,000 rupees, and for the 256GB 5G variant the price would be around 20,000 rupees. And if you don't get these pricings, I think you should not buy this tablet, rather you should go for Xiaomi Pad 7. So finally, in the conclusion, should you buy Redmi Pad Pro in 2025? The answer is yes. If you get this under 15,000 rupees, you should definitely buy this tablet. Otherwise, you can skip this tablet to buy better options. Do you agree with me? If you have any questions regarding this tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.